Hello. Our second goal today will be to add and subtract matrices. A couple of disclaimers that we need to talk about. When you discuss adding and subtracting matrices, they must be the same dimensions in both matrices. For example, you see here a matrix that has 2 rows by 2 columns. In this matrix, it also has 2 rows by 3 columns. However, since the number of columns is not the same, these 2 matrices cannot be added. However, if you look at the second sample, this is a 2 by 2 and this is a 2 by 2, so therefore they match element for element. Unlike here, you have a third column and nothing to add it to in this matrix. So the first disclaimer, to add and subtract matrices, they must have the same dimensions in both matrices. Second, the elements must be added or subtracted to elements in their corresponding positions only. For example, row 1, column 1, 3 should be added to -1. So I will make 4 positions, and 3 plus -1 will create the new element for this position, row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 2 should be added to row 1, column 2 here, so 0 should be added to 4. This is row 2, column 1, and it should be added to row 2, column 1. -5 plus 2 would make the new row 2, column 1 position. And here we have -1 plus 0 for row 2, column 2's position. Our answer matrix is also a 2 by 2. 3 plus -1 gives us 2. 0 plus 4, 4. -5 plus 2, -3. And -1 plus 0 is -1. Our first task is to decide if the 2 matrices can be subtracted. In the first matrix, we have 3 rows by 2 columns. In the second matrix, we have 3 rows by 2 columns. Therefore, we know that we can subtract these 2 matrices. We create a 3 by 2 answer matrix. We add position 1, we subtract 1 minus -7 is the same as 1 plus 7. 2 minus -6 is the same as 2 plus 6. 3 minus -5 is the same as 3 plus 5. 4 minus -3 is the same as 4 plus 3. 5 minus -2 is the same as 5 plus 2. And 6 minus 1 is 6 minus 1. We have 6 small problems to work to create our final answer matrix. 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 6 minus 1 is 5. For our answer matrix, 4, 3 by 2 subtracted from this 3 by 2.